Hi, I'm Matthew Frampton. I'm a Sage Intacct implementation consultant at Vision 33, and today we're going to be talking about the accounts payable process in Sage Intacct. Starting at the overview screen, we can get a very good visualization of the workflow within Sage Intacct. The process begins when a bill is entered. Once a bill is entered into the system, it enters an approval process, which can be tailored to your organization's needs. Once the bill is approved, it enters a pay bills process and is available for payment. Once it has been selected for payment, it enters another approval process, which can also be tailor-made to meet your organization's needs. And once a payment is approved, the check can be printed or the payment can leave the bank. If we jump into the bills screen, I would like to highlight the difference between a submitted bill and a posted bill. If we see the top bill here from Metallic Industries, has a state of submitted, while the one below it has a state of posted. The posted means it simply has hit the general ledger, while submitted means it is sitting awaiting approval and has not actually been posted. If we jump to the approved bill screen, we can then see any bills that are available to be approved. We can approve or decline the bills directly from this screen, or we can click View to see more details. By clicking View, we can see all of the details of the bill, whether it be the vendor, the terms, or the account that the bill was posted to, right down to the dollar amount. If everything looks good, we can approve the bill, and if it doesn't, we can decline the bill. We will approve this bill, and we will add a note of approved, and after confirming by clicking approve again, an email will be sent to the individual who sent this bill for approval, letting them know whether or not it has been approved. Once a bill has been approved, it then becomes available for payment under the Pay Bills process. If we navigate to the Pay Bills screen, we can see all of the bills that are available for payment. The most important fields here will be the payment method, the bill currency, and the bank account. We're going to ensure we have check chosen as well as Silicon Valley Bank. We're going to choose Empress Property Management as the bill to pay, as well as Boston Properties and Verizon Business. Once you have selected the bills you'd like to pay, navigate to the top and hit Pay Now. By clicking Pay Now, those three payments have been routed for approval. If we jump to the Approve Payments screen, since I have the appropriate permissions, we can see any payments that are available to be approved or declined. We can approve them all from this screen or decline them all from this screen, or we can click on the payment amount to view more details. We will approve all of these from this screen, at which point they will be removed from the approved payment screen and now will be available to be printed as checks. Moving to the print check screen, what we want to make sure we have chosen is the same bank account that we had chosen in the previous screens. So we select the Silicon Valley bank account, and then we can see all of the bills that are available here. So we see one for Empress and Boston and Verizon, as well as some other bills that are available for payment that have been selected at an earlier time. By choosing the click print button to the left, this will choose which checks we would like to print or not print. And once we've chosen the checks we'd like to print, we hit the print button. After clicking the print button, we'll receive a very nice preview of how the checks will look. So you can review them here prior to actually printing the checks. You can review all of the checks here. And if they all look fine, you will click the print button again. Once the checks are printed, you will receive another opportunity to review the checks that have been printed. Once the print button is clicked, the check numbers appear here. And when you have the paper copy, you can review the paper copy, ensure everything aligns, and then you can confirm or void the checks. By confirming the checks, you are confirming that everything looks good on them. The checks are being mailed. So at that point in time, an entry will be made against your bank account for the cash to leave the bank. To finish up the video, I would love to jump in and show an accounts payable aging report, a vendor aging report. Uh, the reporting functionality within Sage Intacct is extremely powerful, and you are oftentimes going to receive very clean looking reports just like this, a very nice looking aging report. So that pretty much sums up the accounts payable process within the Sage Intacct. As a quick review, we reviewed the entire process from entering a bill to approving that bill to paying a bill to approving that payment straight to paying a check. I really hope that you found this video informative, and thank you from all of us at Vision 33.